I saw my friend from the Philippines try this recipe when I was in college.
Yes, that's how it called tortang talon. And it even better if you yes, it is tortang talong. That was it called. But it is taste even better if you put minced onion with it, and put pepper, black pepper, and a little spices there. It will taste even more better. So you can try it more.